Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divide by this one divide by this one, so we have s minus 1 over s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put the bounds in here from number 2 to number 4. And now I will put number 4 going here, number 2 going here, and then you got the final answer. And now we have this one minus this one, so we got number 6 minus ln number 4 plus ln number 2, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.